in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to identify the elements of a matrix. All right, before we continue, go ahead and pause the video and copy this down. Welcome back. As you can see, it says each entry of a matrix is called an element and is determined by the row and column that it's in. So, in this particular video, I'm going to label each one with the variable of A, but the subscripts are going to have two numbers. That first number is going to tell you what row it's in, and the second number is going to tell you which column it's in. Let's look at this first example. As you can see, I have this matrix. It's a 3 by 2. I have 3 rows, 2 columns. In this first row, I'm just going to label them with a variable of A. And since they're in the first row, my first subscript are going to be 1s because that's representing row 1. And then for my next row, my subscript is going to be 2, representing row 2. And then my third one is going to be 3s as my subscript, representing row 3. Now, let's look and see how many columns we have. As you can see, I have 2 columns. Now, that first column, I'm going to represent the second number in my subscript as 1s because these are all in the first column. And then for the second column, the second number is going to be a 2 because they're all in the second column. Now I have properly labeled each element of my matrix. So to answer these questions below, first one is saying A sub 2, 1. This is basically saying which one is in row 2, column 1. So I'm going to look at my row 2, this row right here, column 1, and that number is 3. So A sub 2, 1 will equal 3. All right, let's look at the one below it. It's saying A sub 3, 2. I'm going to go to the third row, column 2. That will be the number 2. All right, this next one is saying A sub 1, 2. That means I'm going to go to the first row, column 2, which will be negative 5. And the last one is saying A sub 2, 2, which will be 0. And that's it.